This is the largest friggin' sawdust pile known to man. Coming up on it right here. You can see the cob scatter shot down here. That right there is a more than two-story. That's a two-story building right there. Grange Co-op. Okay, right about here, and oddly enough, whoa, look at that. The sawdust pile is blasting. That thing's like 5 stories tall. You can feel the heat from here. Look at that. Blasting. Boom. That thing is friggin' huge. See that tower next to it there? That's a massive cyclone pneumatic movement system that's a tower. So you can see how tall that flame is. Insane. Friggin' huge. That's the 4th of July around White City, Oregon. We set big shit on fire this burg. Alright, check that out. Boom, that is an insane pile of dust.
Lean out over around Henry there.
And I'm gonna get a video.
See that there? Wow. One misplaced firework. You can see the fire engine right there. Okay? So that gives you an idea of, well, it's a consolidated forest fire, really, if you think about it. Wow.
We gotta go, and the cops are coming, so.
Quite a burning mess.
I'm gonna turn around and come back.
Alright, we'll be back on this.